What the hell? Must be dull. Here we go. This thing's pretty dull. Hello, YouTube. She's playing
on my phone.
And I'm trying to do some of the dull file. I'm on. Trying to grind down the side weldings just to see how far it goes. But apparently my file is toast. T-O-A-S-T. Why am I hand filing it? Because I'm a fool.
You're not. Don't say that.
No, I won't then, fool.
What did you just call me?
I said, fool. It's all over your face. Blood? Supper?
No.
She got stuff all over her face. If I use an electric one, I'm going to end up... Maybe I should use a grinder. You want to stand over there while I grind it? Let me turn this off, okay?
Oh, is it going to be loud?
Wait, I gotta turn this thing this way. Just want to see if I can get both sides. Still there, Kaya? Okay, I'm almost done. Turn this way. Try not to get the sparks to fly everywhere. Let's see. This way, maybe. Perfect. All right, let's see now. Get this off of here. Turn this off. Hello, YouTube. I ground off the ends and I popped it right off. I didn't notice it had a channeled vise thing, so I'll have to clean it off. Yep, I'm done. I'm just checking this out here. See? I'm done, kiddo. Just playing with the vise stuff. Yeah. What? Okay, you can come over here if you want. I gotta get another file. Is the thing recording? Yeah, it's recording.